Zorin OS is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, particularly for those transitioning from other operating systems like Windows or macOS. Here are some key aspects that contribute to its simplicity. 1. Intuitive interface. Zorin OS features a familiar desktop layout, resembling traditional operating systems. This ease of navigation helps new users adapt quickly. 2. Pre-installed software. It comes with essential applications pre-installed, including a web browser, Office suite, and media players, reducing the need for users to search for software. 3. Customization options. Users can easily customize the look and feel of their desktop environment, allowing for a personalized experience without complex configurations. 4. Zorin Connect. This feature allows seamless integration between Zorin OS and Android devices, making file sharing and notification simpler. 5. Software Store. The built-in Software Center provides a straightforward way to browse and install additional applications, making the process user-friendly. 6. Community support. Zorin OS has a supportive community and extensive documentation, which can help users troubleshoot issues or learn more about the system. 7. Performance and reliability. Optimized for speed and efficiency, Zorin OS runs well on a variety of hardware, including older machines, which makes it a great choice for users looking for a lightweight system. Overall, Zorin OS prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and those looking to switch to Linux without a steep learning curve. In this video, we talked about the installation process. In the second video, we are going to talk about simplicity of customization of Zorin OS without using any software except that which integrated in the operating system. See you later. Peace.